So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and mix out colors using the color palette right here. So let's say, for example, I have this shape right here and I have this color right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and select another color right here, then you can actually see that I have another color applied. Click on this one, another color is applied. But let's say I want to go ahead and actually mix those colors. In that case, on my keyboard, let's say, for example, I just want to add in color 10%, then I can hold control on my keyboard right here. And if I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that you can see that yellow is added 10%. Click again, and you can see that slowly more yellow is added, and you get a combination of those colors. Let's just go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, cyan. Hold control on your keyboard and then click on it, and then you can see that you get more cyan color as you were to click on it, and it slowly turns it out. So you get more like a gradient effect as you were to actually go ahead and click those colors out. You can go ahead and click orange, and you can see that that is what you have right here. So if you were to directly click without holding control, then there's a quick change as you can see, but you can hold control on your keyboard and then click on the color right here, and slowly it actually goes ahead and fades to that particular color 10% step by step, as you can see. So you can get some kind of a mid-tone as you wish. So that is how you can mix colors from Color Palette inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.